Hey everybody, Neil Thompson from Teach the Geek here. I work with technical professionals so they can present more effectively, especially in front of non-technical audiences. And you can learn more about that at teachthegeek.com. Again, that's teachthegeek.com. And always remember to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Every bit helps. Today, I'd like to talk about how to balance technical depth with clarity when giving a technical presentation. The first thing you can do is perform an audience audit. So what does that mean? It means figuring out who's going to be in the audience before you actually give the presentation. So for instance, if you're giving a presentation at a technical conference, you could ask the organizers what the demographics of the people who attend the conference is or are. I think people are. Yeah, I think that's how it goes. You'll figure out who you can figure out from those people who's going to be the people in the audience. And once you figure that out, then you can tailor your presentation to suit the needs of those people. I suspect that most of the people at a technical conference are going to be technical themselves. So you likely can get away with using technical jargon that you likely wouldn't use if you were giving a presentation to non-technical decision makers at your job, for instance. In that instance, the second point I wanted to make is defining words. If you're giving a presentation in front of non-technical people and you use a technical word, you really want to make sure that you define it so that the person in the audience isn't sitting there thinking, I have no clue what this person just said. And in a lot of cases, they may not even ask you what the word meant. They just will tune out, or they'll wait until the end of the presentation and then ask you a whole bunch of questions that you likely could have answered during the presentation, but because you didn't define the word, now you're getting these questions. So that's the second thing. And then the third one is to solicit feedback afterwards. We could do all the planning of these presentations and think we did a great job, but unless we seek feedback from others, we never really know. And so I'm a big fan of asking people in the audience afterwards, how do you think I did? Was I able to balance the technical depth with being clear, and get a cross section of people, more technical people, less technical people, get all their feedback so the next time you give a presentation, it'll be even better. Practice makes progress after all. So those are the three things. The first one you want to do is an audience audit, figure out who's going to be in the audience. The second one you want to do is define words, technical words, especially if you're speaking to a non-technical audience. And the third one is to solicit feedback after the presentation to make sure that the next presentation is better than the last one. Again, my name is Neil Thompson. I am the founder of Teach the Geek. I work with technical professionals so they can present more effectively, especially in front of non-technical audiences. And you can learn more about that at teachthegeek.com. Again, that's teachthegeek.com. And as always, please remember to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Every bit helps. Until next time, take care and stay safe.